A pretty interesting day on the job for some construction workers. A cave was recently discovered during construction of the bridge on Route 163 over the Bonne Femme Creek.
ABC 17's Morgan Burrish has more for us tonight on how it was discovered and what this means going forward.
On April 11th, Missouri Department of Transportation workers made a surprising discovery.
Sort of the preliminary scouting trip that they did showed about 120 feet of cave.
Workers were excavating for the foundation of the new bridge. MoDOT engineer Jeff Kroner says they encountered an opening in the surface. He said, quote, "These underground voids were not encountered when MoDOT did our initial investigative borings that are part of our bridge design process. So finding this cavity was a surprise to us," end quote. Roxy Campbell with Missouri State Parks says the cave is known as a karst feature.
The water in Bonne Femme Creek goes down through cracks and swallow holes and then travels underground, so this cave is part of the conduit that would then take that water towards Devil's Icebox Cave.
She says the cave is on private property and will not affect Rockbridge State Park. MoDOT is currently working with the Missouri Department of Natural Resources, U.S. Fish and Wildlife Services, and the Cave Research Foundation to explore the area and conduct research.
We've known that there's water flowing from that area to the cave, so there's bound to be additional passageways, but we have no idea, what size they are. But the fact that one cave was found, gives some indication there could be others.
Reporting in Boone County, Morgan Burrish, ABC 17 News.
All right, thank you, Morgan. As for the construction of the bridge, Kroner says it's too early to know about the delays this is going to cause.